So I've got my title Humpty Dumpty changed, and now I'd quite like to change the writing down here. So I want to change the paragraph style, the P style here. So I don't need to copy the style, but I can just copy this, which I can do with edit and copy, and then underneath it I can edit and paste, so I don't need to type the thing out again. And rather than change H1, I want to change the P. So that's the paragraph style. So the paragraph style at the moment, let's say that's probably about sort of size 8, and it's Times New Roman and it's black. So now I'm changing the paragraph style. So the color, I think I'm going to go for green. I'm going to change the font family to Arial, and I'm going to change the size to 20. Okay, so if I refresh that, I've now got Humpty Dumpty written in green, Arial, size 20. And I can go around and change these things. Now, one of the things you may have noticed is that sometimes, so here you have inverted commas around the font family, but you don't have inverted commas around the color. If I put the inverted commas in around the blue up here and refresh it, okay, notice it disappears. Okay, so the color does not have the inverted commas in, and if I take the inverted commas off the font and refresh that, okay, it doesn't seem to make much difference. And sometimes with some fonts, it depends on how many words that are written in there. As a general rule, because it doesn't seem to make much difference, with the color, I'd say don't put in inverted commas. And because sometimes it can make a difference, it makes sense to put in the inverted commas around the font. Okay. There probably is a rule about exactly correctly how to do it, but this isn't coming up with any errors, so it's obviously perfectly happy with that. And obviously I can edit these, so if I change my mind and decide that actually I want Humpty Dumpty to be written in orange, then, and I refresh it, it's now written in orange. And if I decide that I want that writing then in blue, and I change that to blue. So it's easy enough to edit these things and change them and see the effect on this screen here.